Let's start with Miss Leda Vanessa Tadeo.
Happy birthday, Ate Kish. Sana makapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral. I wish you all the best, tsaka God bless. How many birthdays to come?
Cute ng wish niya. Okay. Next. Maria Rizal Dalag.
Happy birthday. Sana mapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral mo. Sana more blessings to come. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Thank you. Next is Miss Rani. Rani.
Happy birthday, Ate Kisha. Wish ko sa'yo sana matapos mo yung pag-aaral mo para magkaroon ka ng magandang trabaho saka para matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo. Happy birthday.
Uli mo tayo masyadong birthday. Bilis mo salita.
Miss pala yun. Sorry. Sorry, Miss Rani.
Okay. Next, we have Miss Kimberly Oltan.
Dude, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Be a good girl. Study hard. Yun lang.
Thank you. This is short ng messages nila, no?
Next is Miss Diane Rosia Moreno.
Wala.
Happy birthday, Kisha. Sana hindi kami babago at saka... Yun lang. Thank you.
Thank you. Next, Miss Lovelyn Petrasanta.
Good evening po. Kisha. Ano po bang hihilingin mo? Maganda ka, matalino, masipag, at may mapagmahal na friends at family. Sana lang magpatuloy lang yung mga magagandang nangyayari sa buhay mo at sana balang araw matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo. Happy birthday!
Ang sweet.
Thank you. Next is Miss Nimpa Ruiz.
Evening po. Happy birthday, Kishang maganda. Stay as you are at saka, mag-aral kang mabuti, saka pahalagahan mo yung mga taong nagmamahal sa'yo. And always be happy and smile. Thank you!
Thank you. Next, ang manager ni Kisha ngayong gabi ay Hin Petro.
Hi, Kisha. Happy birthday. Ano pa ba mag-wish ko? Nasa iyo na ata lahat. Yun. Wish ko matupad lahat ng wishes nila para sa'yo. Sana magtagumpay ka sa karir na pinili mo. Pagbutihan mo lang pag-aaral mo. Nandito naman kami, mga kaibigan mo, yung family mo, si King. Ayun. Basta pag nag-artista ka, padamay ako. Sige, happy birthday ulit.
Next, Miss Krisha Rihanna.
Hi sis, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Sana di ka magbago. Yun lang.
Hindi ko rin may labas, nahiya.
Thank you.
Next, Miss Angeline Consulta.
May klase pa daw.
Okay.
Oh. Next, Miss Irish K. Bariwa.
Hi, Cha. Happy 18th birthday. So this will be your first and last debut, so seize the moment because an opportunity like this does not always come along. So my first wish, I hope someday I will be seeing you or hearing you on TV or radio, being a newscaster or DJ or VJ or any career in line with your course or communication. Secondly, just continue being a very, very wonderful daughter and never ever for 1 second dare to disappoint your parents. And my third wish, very simple, have a clean life. I mean, be a good Christian, have a good health, and be happy always. Happy birthday.
Thank you po. Next is Mr. JB Ameglio.
Miss. Wala pa.
Okay, so let's go to Miss Eds Escartin.
Hi Keisha, happy birthday. More blessings to come sa'yo. Tsaka sana mapapad lahat ng wishes and dreams mo sa life. Study hard. At saka lagi na kami nandito para sa'yo. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Stay beautiful. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Eds.